What's up with these silver bullets right here? Yeah, silver's such a great color. It truly does stay clean all the time. That Q5 is very dirty right about now, but you wouldn't know it. Looks like we need some gas. This thing is a mega gas guzzler because it needs a cat. It needs the cats. So this thing is just like drinking like there's no tomorrow all the time. It's kind of annoying. Microwave oven right there. Yeah, just pulled it out to warm it up a little bit. You know, you gotta drive them a little. I mean, I've owned this car friggin' 4 years. 4 years. Looks nice too with the lights on. 4 years. And yeah, it should be, coming up on 4 years. 3,000 miles. It's crazy. I mean, this one's got low mileage, as everybody knows. Yep, 237. Yeah, just about that. So it's crazy. And what does this car do? Sits in here. That's what it's all about, right? Car's just sitting, collecting dust. So I could look at it. See, I sit there in the chair and I look at it. That's basically it. Or when I open the door, I see the face of it. Yeah, that's what it is.